Hello class. This is Yanhua. Welcome to week 14. This week we are using the lambda to write the program to find the prime number. To use the boolean to see if that's the prime number or not. So the first thing is we input the function in Java in the Java 8 version. Which called int predicate. So another one is we input the string. So the int predicate is useful on the this is the function interface and can be used as assignment target for a lambda expression or method reference. And the second is the string. The string is used in the Java 8 also. This package consists of a class interface and to allow functional style operation on elements. But it does not store elements. It's just simply conveys elements from the source, such as the data, array, and the input-output channel through the pipeline of the computational operations. And also the string is functional in natural, and also is the way lazy and evaluates code only when required. And the elements of string are only visited once during the life of a string. So there we created a class called lambda. So and the first part is we evaluate this predicate on the given arguments, and the parameter would be int value input argument. So we just typed in a number. For example, here I typed 571. The int string is a sequence of primitive int value elements supporting sequential and parallel aggregate operations. So and its range method returns a sequential ordered int string. So from the start, and here you can see there we create a constructor for the is prime. So then we go check. We created the int name called value to check. So it may not evaluate the predicate elements if not necessary for determining the result. And we use the match or non-match here. For example, we use the non-match. We use non-match method returns whatever no elements of the string match the provided predicate. And let's go to see if and in here the first we write the functional interface using the lambda expression. Like you see, lambda expression is much simpler than other way to write the program. It's kind of like the shortcut. It's avoid complicated elements class. So we just For example, we just have the like an argument and two body to check if no element of string is divisible by using check if the number return true when it divided by itself or one. That's the way how we check the prime number, and the prime number only can be divided by one or itself. If it's true, it's a prime number. For example, it's if it's not true, that won't be prime number. So we check the value, use the value need to be checked, and the divide factor equal to 0. For example, it's divide something equal to 0 with means with no remainder. So what means with no remainder? So for example, if we know like 4 divided 2 is 4 divided by 2 equal to 2. So it's divisible by 2, and it's not a prime, so it's not a prime number. And the string range, we use the in string range, which means start and end. And the int string start inclusive means the inclusive initial value, and the end exclusive means the exclusive upper bound. So which means started, like I just explained it. Parameter, the parameter here is a static string range, int start inclusive and int and exclusive with no match, which means the number checked if with no remainder, and if the number is more than 1, also with no matches, then the number would be is prime. So which is would be the prime number. So after check this number returns true, which means this is a prime number. It's only could be divided by itself or divided by 1. For example, if we change other numbers, it would return as false. That's the number on the prompt requirement said need to be greater than 500. So we just type in the value and test it. So all false. Even 511, I think that's not a prime number. So which means it's all can be divided by other number besides itself and 1. Thank you for watching. I hope this video explained the understandable. Thank you.